I'm going to learn React purely with AI. So no tutorials, no books, just AI telling me what to do. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just head over to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to say, I want you to write me a 2-hour tutorial about the basics of React. That'll be it. Just a 2-hour tutorial on the basics of React. And by the end of it, I want to be competent with it. I don't know what else to say. Okay, let me take this out, hit enter. Okay, that's interesting. It chose to do things in JavaScript rather than TypeScript. I guess we can get started and it'll be just generally easier with JavaScript. That's cool. The norm, I think, in industry is TypeScript, but that's okay. We just want to get going. But while this is happening, what I might do in the meantime is pull up a terminal, and I want to go to, let's just go to learning. Let's make a new directory called learning. So learning React, inside learning. Okay, this is done. Gave me a tutorial. Look at that. It even gives me exercises. There's a lot going on here. It hasn't even stopped generating. Still scrolling down. Great, so I've waited for it and it is finished. It produced a PDF for me, so I'm just gonna follow the PDF and let's get to learning this. So I really want to speedrun it. So what React does: interfaces, reusable components, keywords. Excellent. Okay, so this is old school way of doing it, new school way of doing it. I like it. Let's check our node version. Terminal over here, but let's, so let's just go node. Node version is 22.17. Create our first React app, copy this. I'm gonna use npm instead of npm because it's quicker. React, JavaScript. I don't know what those things are. The first one, install with npm. Yes, sometimes I just guess what's happening, but it's okay. Oh, we have a site. It's here. Look at this, we already have a website, and we can count. Excellent, but we are trying to learn React. So let's close that for now. Let's just say we did all this. React basics. That is the folder structure, looking good. Let's look at the code. Open this up in VS Code. Excellent. This is what the main app is meant to look like. Source, main, that seems about right. For this one, we're going to get Codex to help us with a bit of AI stuff. So what I like to do is just init, make an agents file. It'll read everything here. Okay, nothing special going on there, just a regular React folder. Create root tells React where to render the component tree. So here we go. This is where it renders it. Nice, that's pretty much it. Let's just skip to the next bit. Let's create our first component, the welcome component. So it looks like these components are just functions. Okay, so we will make a new file in source. And I guess the convention is just uppercase for the first letter. We'll say welcome, JSX. Then we have to make a function. Okay, we got autocomplete from Copilot, which is all good. But export default, what does this mean? Why is this different? That's okay, I think because they changed the main app. So we export default welcome. Makes sense. But where can we put the welcome message? In the main app. This is a lot of stuff here. Let's get rid of it all. I think I deleted too much. That's okay. I think this represents a little div thing. Yes, no squiggly errors. But we need to put the welcome in there. How can we do this? Look at what we have up here. Import welcome. Yes, okay. Autocomplete will work. Welcome. Import welcome from welcome. Slide this over. Refresh. Nothing. It's all wrong. Because the server's not on. npm run dev. It's on. Go back here. Refresh. Welcome React component. Excellent. Now, everything is coming into place. Okay, so we are going through this checklist. We're making components. And this is what a component looks like. So, we can read all this. And you got to close the tags, which is all good. And then there's these little attributes here, like on click, on change, on submit. Cool, makes sense. And then, yes, you can run JavaScript in braces like this. All good, all good. Yep, and you can, this looks like a list. Good, big list. Many components, put them together. Here, build, this is the exercise I'm working on. So you need so that's the solution. Build a course card. That's what I'm doing at the moment. Now, I have it here, and what I'm trying to do is debug this. So here's my course card. I've made it. How do we look into it? GD. Oh god. Okay, my Vim skills need some work. Maybe F12. Okay, hold on. Something is happening. We have course card. Yes, and I think we need to go export default course card because it wasn't importing. Let's see if it works. Give it a refresh. Still didn't work. What happened here? Welcome exists, but it does because it's here. Interesting perspective. Okay, so what I do is I just copy this and go to codex. Why is this not working? I just put in the error. Say why not? Okay, it'll think about it. Oh, I just made a spelling mistake. That's it. Lol. Change the name to not welcome. Try again. Here it is. Lesson card. That's the exercise. Checkpoints. So we're just powering through this. Limitation on hard-coded props. Components. We can pass in props to the components. So here's our component, and we'd have to repeat ourselves many times if we, wanted the same thing. Pass props. So you can just put arguments in there. And then that's how you put arguments in there. And you can pass objects in, just like that. Pass JSX using children. Let's get back to our code. We'll put a pause there, but let's modify our course card and we'll put all these as props. How can we do this? Let's say take that and then move that into app. So app JSX. Yes, excellent. Good. Looking good. I want to pass in a course. So course card. I want to pass in a course. And now is that the syntax for it? We have to put parentheses there. Or you call those brackets. Who knows? Does anyone know? Okay, put the brackets in, and now we get this autocomplete thing here, which we will tab autocomplete. That looks good. Okay, so, and we need to pass those in here, but that's not exactly what so, I want to I'll pass in an object like this. Delete these. I need to make sure things are aligned. Okay, autocomplete that, fix the formatting. And I'm just going to continue doing this. So essentially, I'll just go through this whole document. So what I'm going to do is finish up the video here, but I'll just leave you with the kind of process if you want to learn something with AI. So, don't rely on videos and books and expensive things like that. So what you can do, is just prompt AI, hey, make me a 2-hour course, a 10-day course, produce a PDF, and then you'll get this. You get something like this and literally just follow it. And then when you get stuck, if you get stuck with something, as you saw I did, literally copy the error, put it into AI, and it'll be like your tutor. It'll tell you exactly what to do.